Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kaptechpro. In this video we'll see what is Microsoft Stream. I will give you an introduction of Microsoft Stream, and later on we'll see what all features Microsoft Stream offers and how we can manage it. So guys, without any delay, let's get started. So friends, let's start with introduction to Microsoft Streams. So guys, Microsoft Stream is an enterprise video service where people in your organization can upload, view and share videos securely. You can also share the recordings of classes, meetings, presentation, training sessions or other videos that aid your team collaboration. It is a secure video service, so you can manage who views your video content and determine how widely to share within your organization. Basically, you can set the privacy that we'll discuss later on. In the Microsoft Stream, it also helps you to organize the content into channels and groups, so it will be easier you to find it. Microsoft Streams works well with the other Microsoft 365 apps like Teams, SharePoint, Note1 and Yammer, giving even more ways to discover more relevant content. So friends, now let's go to our lab environment and let's see what Microsoft Stream is. Okay friends, so now we have logged in our Office 365 account, and now first of all we'll click on admin. So I will click on this three dot and I will click on open in new tab. In Office 365 Admin Center, I will click on show all, and as you can see, I'm not able to see Stream Admin Center, so I will click on all admin centers. So in the list of all admin center, you can see the stream is here, so we'll simply click on it. So friends, now we are navigated to our Stream Admin Center, and the first setting is like the administrators. So you can assign the stream admins. So you can search the name. I will enter the name Rachit. So you can see it is here. So this is the current administrator already. So I will click on save to save the settings. So now we have saved the settings. You can assign more people as an admin. Now the second setting is like the spotlight videos. In your organization, if you have uploaded 3 to 4 videos and streams, so those videos which you will be entering here, which you will be pasting the URL of the videos, will be listed over here, and any member in your organization will be able to see those videos, and only those videos will be over here which are more important. So that's what spotlight video means. Then we have our live events. So in the settings, you can turn on this button and you can add the users who are allowed to create the live events. In the live now, you can go live, you can broadcast the video live. In the upcoming, you can create the event and then it will be get notified that upcoming live event is there. Now in the company policies, you can link the company policy over here by entering the URL, and the text to display in the footer, you can enter it over here. Then we have a require company policy acceptance. So before uploading any video, user have to accept that company policy before he or she will upload any video. Then we have a reset company policy acceptance. So you can reset it by clicking on this button. Then we have a usage details. In the usage details, we get 513 GB of usage. So from here, the number of videos you will upload, it will get fulfilled. So you can check your usage details from here. And the recycle bin storage will be also be over here, and you can manage it by clicking on this link as well. And also you can enter the percentage of storage. You can decrease it, you can increase it based on your requirement. So you will be get notified when you will cross the maximum limit. Then we have a recycle bin. If you will delete any videos, that will be listed over here. And after 30 days is the maximum time after which the videos will get disappear from the recycle bin as well. Then we have a group. So you can create a group. It directly links to your Microsoft 365 group in Active Directory. Then this is the support. If you want a support from Microsoft, you can click over here. This is the comment section, right? So you can restrict the comments. Like if you have uploaded some video, in the specific video, don't want anyone to comment, so you can restrict this by turning it off. Then we have a content creation. You can restrict the video uploads. So if you will turn it on, only the unrestricted people will not be able to upload any videos. So this is a good feature. Like you can restrict few peoples in your organization to upload the videos. Then restrict the company-wide channel creations. So if you will turn on this button, you can restrict people from your organization to create channels, right? You must have seen my previous videos, so I'm assuming that you very well know what channel is and how we can create. Then we have a default viewing permission during upload, when uploading a video or creating a live event in a stream web portal. So you can select that everyone in your company want to view that upload, or you want a specific group of people. So you can modify the settings according to your requirement. Then we have a ECDN solution. So what ECDN solution is? It is the Enterprise Content Delivery Network. It basically a third-party enterprise content delivery network solution. It will help you to monitor and optimize video playback network traffic within your organization. So this is your Stream TNET ID. You can enable the third-party ECDN solution by turning this on. Then we have a data privacy. You can manage the user data, and then you can manage the deleted users as well in the data privacy. So these are the few admin settings which we have seen. In the discover, you can see we can discover the videos in your entire organization. We can discover the channels, we can discover the people, and we can also discover the groups in the organization. Then we have a content. So in the content, you can watch the videos, you can see the groups, you can see the channels, you can see the meetings, whether they are upcoming meetings or whether they are ongoing meetings. You can see the watch list. Every video which you will watch will be listed on the watch list. You can see the followed channels. The channels which you will follow will be listed in the followed channels, and then we have a same recycle bin. Now let's go to create. So what is create? Basically in the create section we can upload a video, right? We'll see in next video how we can upload a video. Then we do a live event. Then we have a group. We can create a group, we can create a channel, and there's one good feature which is record screen or video. So you can record the screen or video. Like in some other department, the people, they are not that technical, so they are asking you like how they can reset their password. So this is a good feature. You can simply record the screen like telling them how you can reset your password. So this is a good feature. And then we have a search box. Like you want to search anything, like you want to search any video, you want to search any channel, so you can simply type the name and then you can press enter. And in the right hand side you can see this is the upload video. Because this is a video sharing platform, so this button is also there to upload a video. So you can directly click over here to upload the video. You can see this is the invite others. You can invite other peoples to join your stream. And at last we have a feedback section. Like you can send the feedback. If you click over here, you can send the feedback directly to Microsoft. Like you like something, you don't like something, you have a suggestion from Microsoft, or you want to file a bug. So this is a good feature. So friends, by this way you can manage your stream. In the next video we'll see how we can upload a video in stream. So this was a quick introduction and a overview of how stream works and what all features it offers. That's conclude our video demonstration. For more informative videos, you can check my other video links on the screen and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys in next video.